Follow these steps to force restart, enter DFU mode and recovery mode on your iPhone. Let's get in. To force restart your iPhone, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the button and wait for the iPhone to restart. No data loss. This simply refreshes your iPhone system. Steps to enter recovery mode on iPhone. Connect your iPhone to a computer using a lightning cable. Open Finder or iTunes. Put iPhone in recovery mode. Press and quickly release volume up, press and quickly release volume down, press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. On a computer, you'll see a pop-up. Click Update to reinstall iOS without losing data. If update fails, click Restore. This will erase all the data. Now let's jump into the process to enter DFU mode. Connect your iPhone to computer and open iTunes or Finder. Press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Press and hold the side button for 10 seconds. While still holding the side button, press and hold volume down for 5 more seconds. Release the side button but keep holding volume down for another 10 seconds. If the screen stays black but Finder or iTunes detects your iPhone in recovery mode, you are in DFU mode. Follow on-screen instructions to restore your iPhone. DFU mode wipes everything on your iPhone. Only use it as a last resort.